Wake up! I wake up at 6 a.m. Get on! She gets up early for school. Turn on. Please turn on the fan. Turn off. Turn off the lights before leaving. Sit down. Please sit down. Stand up. She stood up to answer the question. Look for it. I am looking for my phone. Find out. She found a book on the table. Give up. They did not give up the game. Pick up. I will pick you up at 5. Put on. She put on her coat. Take off. He took off his shoes. Bring back. Please bring back my book. Call back. I will call you back later. Come in. She knocked on the door and waited to come in. Go out. I usually go out for a walk in the evening. Call back. I will call you back later. Run out of... I ran out of juice. Look after. She looks after her baby. Look at this picture. Look up. I looked up the word in the dictionary. Breakdown. My car broke down yesterday. Break up. The police arrived to break up the crowd. Give back. Please give back my pen. Go on. The rain may go on all day. Carry on. Carry on with your work. Try on. She tried on the dress. Take care of. He takes care of his dog. Set up. They set up a new shop. Clean up. I must clean up my bag. Show up. He didn't show up at the party. Grow up. I grew up in a small town. Make up. She makes up her face every morning. Put away. He put away his phone. Take out. She took out her wallet. Get on. The children get on the school bus. Get off. We get off the bus at the next stop. Hold on. Hold on to the rope. Come across. We came across a big tree. Look around. She looked around and smiled. Move on. I moved on after the game ended. Fill out. I fill out the application. Check in. We checked in at the hotel. Work out. He works out every day. We end up at a cafe. Agree with. I agree with you. Pay for. I pay for food. Read over. He read over the report. Ask for. She asked for help. Join in. We join in the dance. Thank you for watching video